5, as I already said. But at that time, they are owning only 2 airways, but now they are owning 56 airways, and out of which 28 airways they have to ground because of their crisis, and they are facing about to 6,526 crore debt, and they are also having 7% market shares, but it's not enough to repay this bankruptcy, and so that's why they are facing so many problems, and these problems can't be solved very soon, and so the employees, 77,000 employees are in uncertainty.
Yes, as we can say that the summer is coming, coming very soon, and usually what happens is in summertime people are planning this family tour or family trip, and at that in the summertime nobody want to prefer some railways or some other thing. They all want some if they are rich and they are capable, they always prefer flight, and the business class and economy class, this type of thing they usually prefer. So due to this clash in the airlines, the 70,000 people are very disturbed with this. So we cannot deny this huge uncertainty of our customer in terms of traveling. So this to be noted here. Yes.
And one of the main consequence of this is like the company expected to have 7,000 airlines in the future, but this is also uncertain just because of this engine issues which I already mentioned. And one of the things is that the company, Pratt & Whitney company, which has signed an agreement with this company, does not fulfill its contract of maintaining the engines and of giving compensation when not having proper working of the engines. It's not like that.
See, as Anshina said earlier, it was about the contract. As many of the more aviation companies were also facing the issue like Tata Airways and Air India and Air Kanishka were also facing the same issue with the same company, the Pratt & Whitney company. So if the company will be able to provide that repaired engines to that company, so the company can be saved by September 2023, and the future of the employees of the pricing
But we cannot wait for the, as Aman said, but we cannot wait for the September, no, because it's a summer time, it's a high time for those who want to go somewhere, because they plan their whole we have most of the person are employed, and they have very busy schedule, and they are waiting just okay that when summer will come, when our child get some summer holiday, we'll go and we plan some beautiful trip over there. So at that time this whole airline is getting disturbed with the engine processor, because due to this and customer are automatically disturbing with this and
I definitely agree with your point, but the point is that they have 56 planes, which is not comfortable in today's day. Like as you said, where the summers are coming and holidays are.
yes, Aman, and because of this 7,000 people are future are uncertain because of this happening in this. So here we just the company have to look forward to this problem very effectively, and the legal action should be taken and.
See, I understand your
Yes.
point, but the point is that in summers they have 56 planes, so it is necessary to save that company to maintain the working of the aviation companies, to provide the comfortability to its customers of the
Yes, I
industry.
agree both of you. But the thing is, the company had to make long-term HR policies which are required here to overcome this problem. So, because as I have already mentioned, the 70,000 people are working in that, and these crises are affecting their lives, their personal lives as well as their professional life, and it will create a lot of problems in their lives. So it has to be maintained quickly, and it has to be maintained very efficiently.
And one more thing is to be noted here that when you are planning some business or anything you are planning, then you should be very clear that from where you are going to buying things for your business, and it should be in a proper documentation form on the basis of rules and regulation, so that in future you cannot be having this type of uncertainty, like this type of risk. It will not be calling like uncertainty, because it can be avoided if they are taking some good step. So yeah.
Yeah, it's totally right. Because before implementing a business, we have to first use our products, whether they are working properly or not. Because after establishing a business, it's like a big crisis that we are also seeing in this situation. So we have to first apply the products on other situations. We have to recheck and check these products. So we should not face these problems in our lives after establishing the environment of business.
Look, in my opinion, the GoFirst company had fully evaluated the contract of the that Whitney company. Likewise, because it was very popular company, as the Tata also prefer to buy the engines from them also. So it has a good goodwill in the market. So that's why they are purchasing from them.
So let's summarize it now.
Okay, so I would like to summarize on behalf of our team group discussion. So here we find, like, in 2023, there are big clash in airline GoFirst crisis due to the poor performance of the engine from the Whitney company, Part Whitney company. So the things I already mentioned, and as Aman said, as Akanshu said, that the things should be done in proper manner before buying something or before doing something. It should be predicted as to see the futuristic basis. So yeah, thank you.
So although one summarization is sufficient, still I would like to see summarization from all the people. How do you do it? Okay. So maybe you can start, Akansha.
Feedback, like
Summarization.
summarization. Okay, so I want to summarize this whole GT. So as we all discuss our points here, that whatever the situation is facing by the Go Airways. So as Anshika said, as Aman said, and as Nancy said, that the whole process is facing the crisis because of because the bad delivery of Pratt and Whitney company, and this is because the Go Airways didn't apply these products before establishing their environment. That's why they are facing these problems. And so the problem is this, and they have to overcome these problems as fast as possible, because their employees working in there are getting affected very badly.
So as we have arrived to the summarization part, so the summarization in likewise, if the company can be saved by 2023 September, so it is necessary to save that company, as it is mentioned that if the Pratt and Whitney company can provide, so the resources should be fulfilled that can save the company and save the future of the 700 employees working in the GoFirst crisis, and so that their future can be certain.
I want to summarize this topic as, like, the GoFirst crisis is just because of the failure of Pratt and Whitney company, as he didn't fulfill its agreement. So all the companies have to maintain a long-term policy with the company, so that they can maintain their crisis and overcome their crisis, maybe not maintain, overcome their crisis.